extremely overwhelming. I have dreamt it a way before back, but it was very difficult to finally break into existence. But now I feel very overwhelmed that my dream has really come true through the extended support of Team CLC Abroad. Thank you so much. Firstly, I've told Swarupa ma'am also that the team is extremely supporting. Like whenever in the midnight, I would used to call Janvi ma'am, Swarupa ma'am, Mayuri ma'am, and they used to like, "Ha, Saloni, bol, what happened? Tell me." And I used to share my concerns, my problems, and then they used to be like, "Oh, do like this, do like this," and throughout the way, it has been really great that I felt like I've come to a right people. I would like to tell that come here, share your problems, share your concerns with them, talk to them, do a great research about your dream programs or dream courses you want to go for, and make it happen. That's the best thing about it, that you should talk, you should solve your concerns here, and you should be very much prepared about and be very confident about whatever you do throughout the IELTS. Okay, I would like to really thank Krupa ma'am. She was very supportive towards the IELTS preparation, my exams and everything. So yes, the team is very supportive. So in like to conclude, I would like to say that please come here, talk about your concerns. That is something that you should, every student should do basically. I'm really excited to go for the course I've chosen, that is MBA in Healthcare Management. I found that the Anglia Ruskin University was the only university that has provided a specific dedicated course of MBA in Healthcare Management, which I did not find in any other university. So that was the main thing that I chose Anglia Ruskin. Apart from that, the university is really supportive. Like they reply to each and every mail of yours, and they have a great extended student accommodation also. So I think that is the best part for every individual going through the this journey. Okay, it feels extremely disconnected when you are traveling to some new country, but then university is great, the team you are trying to go through is supportive. So altogether this is very interesting and I think great. As such, there is no advice that I would really like to give CLC Abroad. They even provide you refreshments whenever I was preparing for IELTS and I told ma'am, I would need coffee. Can you just give me? Or you speak, you tell me, I would give you coffee. They had provided me lunch also. It's not about lunch or coffee. It's about the support and love you get from these people. They make you feel like they are your own people. So yes, that is something very, very grateful. I'm very grateful for them.